Confused by YouTube TV? Here's how to get real help. Hey there, YouTube TV users. If you've ever found yourself stuck trying to figure out a feature or solve a frustrating issue, you're definitely not alone. Navigating a streaming platform can be tricky sometimes, but don't worry. Real help is just a few clicks away. YouTube TV actually offers several ways to get solid support when you need it. Whether you're having playback issues, struggling with account settings, or just feeling overwhelmed by all the options, there's a solution for you. Before we go any further, if you find these kinds of tips helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, what's the most confusing part of YouTube TV for you? Let's start with the basics. The YouTube TV Help Center is a great starting point. It's loaded with articles that explain everything from setting up your DVR to solving streaming hiccups. You can access it by going to tv.youtube.com and clicking the help link. Super easy. But what if you want to talk to someone directly? YouTube TV has real-time support via live chat and email. Just head to the Contact Us section in the Help Center, choose your preferred method, and you'll be chatting with a support rep in no time. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes hearing from real users, the community forum can be a goldmine. People post questions, share fixes, and help each other out. It's one of those underrated tools that's worth checking out when you're stuck. You can also try reaching out on social media. YouTube TV has official support channels on platforms like Twitter, where they respond to common issues and post updates. It's fast and surprisingly effective for getting attention when something major is going on. That said, don't underestimate the power of basic troubleshooting. Restarting your device, checking your internet speed, or reinstalling the app can solve more problems than you'd think. It's always worth a quick try before reaching out. And if your issue is billing related, make sure to have your account info handy when you contact support. It'll help speed things up and avoid any back and forth delays. With all these resources at your fingertips, getting help on YouTube TV doesn't have to be a headache. You've got options, and they're easier to use than most people realize. Thanks for sticking around. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy streaming.